Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a shell nail. I did one in the past and I can link it above, but this one is a little bit more fun and water. I do show you my inspo pic right around when I start the design, but first here I am prepping my nails. I pushed my cuticles back and then I am going to scrape off any of that cuticle on my nail, and then we will scrape it out and then buff and prep and finish that, and then I'll catch you back at the tutorial.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
All right, so I like to place down my bead just before that cuticle area and push back to the cuticle. That way I'm not having a ton of product and just pushing back towards that little edge. Okay, so again, repeating that process, pushing back and pulling down. And we are just doing an infill. So I do have a couple different gel colors on my nail, but we are filling it with clear to do the design, and then we'll go in and shape it accordingly. I did have a little bit of a chip in my middle finger when I was filing. There was some lifting, and so I took it off, so I rebuilt part of that, and we'll have to fix that shaping. All right, I'm taking a Jimmy gel, and this is just a builder in a bottle, so use whatever builder in a bottle, regular gel, acrylic, whatever you use to build out your nails, go ahead and use it. Again, we're using clear. This would be a nice time to probably do a pink, but I'm just gonna stick with clear. Okay, now that we have that on, again, I am just filling the back area. So I took down some of that product, so there's not much that I have to do here, but I do like an apex. So I place my bead down in the back third. I'm gonna walk it over. Having my nail down though, I hope you guys can tell on camera. I do have my nail down, and I'm just going to pull that gel down since it is mostly an overlay, and then I'm going to flip it upside down.
And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got.
All right, so I am going to take probably some of these, maybe this guy. I'm liking the blue in there. In the inspiration photo that I saw, they actually use shells, and I usually have my nails on top, meaning my designs on top, but they took like these shells and embedded them. If you want that same look, absolutely get you some shells and embed it. I'm taking the easy way out, okay? No judging. All right, my nails are filed and buffed, and I'm going to take McCart's nail foil. All right, I'm going to take the stripey brush and get some of that gel on there. Now, I personally like a deeper smile, so I'm actually gonna take some of that off. So I'm gonna come around, and you're gonna definitely want your nails buffed so you can see where the foil gel is going, because if you are doing this on a shiny nail, you're never gonna be able to tell where your foil is gonna go. Okay. And then what I like to do is I like to kind of come up here and connect it so we have that nice deep smile line. So you might not be able to see that shiny part, but when we put the foil over it, you'll see it. I have cured it. Going to be adding my foil. And again, I am doing different patterns, so I'm not focusing on one because it's not a big deal for me. Let's come in and add some more. Just going to take that same foil glue and just go over the nails as well. And thankfully this stuff is super thin, and I'm not being super precise with it. Like, I don't feel like I need to have that perfect smile line because we're just putting glitter in it.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up.
Yeah, I think that's the reason she probably embedded them, because it looks better. I'm gonna take a matte top coat.
Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock.
wiping that layer off. All right, so now we're going to create that shell effect. So how's the best way to do this so you can see? So you want it to be thicker on the end and thinner on the inside.
Chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon.
All right, now I'm taking the wrong top coat and going to top coat the entire French part. So nothing on the base.
And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into.
All right, here is the finished product. I think these are so fun. Would I wear a ton of them? Probably not, but I really wanted to experiment with them and see if I could do it for people who like to wear their nails on top, meaning just like a base and then build out their nails. So it is possible. I probably should have done a pink, because that was in the photo as a pink here, and it probably would have looked a lot better. I thought about maybe putting like a gold kind of, you know, make it a like a French with it, but I'm happy with it. I think it was fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.